Eddie and Sons Locksmith is a local business that has served Kings County and the entire borough of Brooklyn with distinction. Our family has provided expertly trained and qualified security solutions for the residents and businesses of Brooklyn for 2 generations. We strive to meet and exceed all accepted industry standards. Day and night, anywhere in Brooklyn, New York, we provide service for any car, truck, motorcycle, boat, home, apartment, office, or business. Our technicians are available on 24-hour calls, 7 days a week and holidays. Call us and we will come to your assistance faster than any other local company will. We set the standard in 24-hour emergency unlocking services. We can repair any door lock, combination lock, master lock, security lock, home lock, safe lock, lock and key, safety lock, deadbolt, lockout service, security lock door, keyless door lock, rekey job, mailbox lock, doorbell door lock, cheap lock, window security lock, quick set lock, schlagen lock, Lexus. We even do locks, eggs, and onions. So call us at Eddie and Sons Locksmith, 718-395-2801.